everyone. Today I want to share all of you to replace timing bell 2013 Skoda octavia CR engine. So if you want to replace timing bell, you must understand about the timing bell. This is eyelet point. This is the indicator pump. This is the tensioner. This is the camshaft. This is crankshaft. This is the bottom pump. This is eye marker. This one from this one is the crank marker. So this is the eye marker is the camshaft marker. So this is the lock pin. If you have pin to lock the hole, is the lock pin for indicator pump. So when you tie this one is the tensioner to tie the 20 Newton first, and then tie 45 grade for button pump. If you tie 20 Newton meter for start, and second try 45 grade for eyelet point. The guide point we tie the 20 Newton. So and then do rotation clockwise to turn for crank, and then see this marker from this one to this one, marker from this one to this one, a crank, a cam, and the pump also lock into. So on to test that for the timing bell to tie some normal. This is diagram for camshaft. This is eyelet point, the indicator pump, eyelet point. This is bottom pump, the tensioner, eyelet point, and crank point. So I hope you understand about the replace timing bell. Description below if you want to see 2013 for replace timing bell for Skoda octavia, the engine CR. Thank you for watching. I want to recommendation. If you want to take the screw like this is alternative also, because I mark like this. I think that it is not the same like this. So if you mark like this, and it is go also. So you can see then a tool pump, then is the crank shaft, then come cranks. So I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.